I know you've seen it, and I've gotten a lot of questions, so I want to make a video in reference to opening a brand new LLC and getting a $50,000 business loan with no documentation on a brand new LLC. Let me take you step by step. When you have a brand new LLC, something that's newly formed, that is under a year old, you go to a bank and you want a business loan. What they're going to do is ask you, how is your personal credit? They're going to run a credit report, pull it, and look at your personal credit. If you have good personal credit, you can potentially get a $50,000 business loan. But let me break this down. A LLC will always be tied to your social security number and your personal credit. Why? Because an LLC is tied to the individual who opened it. So when you open a brand new LLC, you can get a business loan as long as you have good personal credit. Now, if you look at a lot of those, if you want to call them ads on social media, they'll say, get a brand new LLC, get $50,000. There are two ways to do this. You can have strong personal credit, go into a bank, have your newly formed LLC, tell them that you want a business loan for your business so you can start your business and you're looking for $50,000. Well, if you have established good personal credit where you've paid off a car, had a home, or currently paying a mortgage, and you have very good credit with high credit limit credit cards, and you have somewhere around a 720 and above, you can get a $50,000 business loan. But let me preface it to say, it is all dependent upon the strength of your personal credit. This is not a true business loan and where there's no personal guarantor. So if you're thinking, I'm gonna get a new business, get $50,000 and have bad credit, that is not how that operates. You always have to have great credit, especially with an LLC, because an LLC is always tied with a personal guarantee, because the benefit of an LLC, you only pay taxes once, but that benefit comes at a cost that you have to have great credit to get a business loan. Now, let's say you see somewhere on social media that you can get $50,000 new LLC with bad credit. Is that possible? Yes, that is possible. And let me take you step by step. Many times when you see those advertisements or promotions or ads, what they are not telling you is that is a merchant cash advance. A merchant cash advance operates totally different than a business term loan. A merchant cash advance doesn't need your personal credit to be stellar or even good. You can get a merchant cash advance for up to $250,000 with bad credit. And you may say, Raul, how? Well, a merchant cash advance is tied to the revenue your business generates. So if you have a newly formed LLC, you have a business checking account that is older than 3 months, the lender will request 3 months, your last 3 months of bank statements, and then they will take the average monthly of those 3 months and do a multiple, depending on the lender, from 1.5 to up to 10 times that average. So if you have an average monthly balance of, say, $25,000, there are some merchant cash advance lenders that will give you up to $250,000, but there's a caveat. That is your average daily balance, but you have deposit histories of somewhere around $200,000 to $300,000, which is typical for a business, especially in construction or anything in heavy industry. Some auto dealers or brokers have that type of cash flow, but they may have, say, a $25,000 average daily balance because things are coming and going out of their account. The lender will see it and say, hey, we believe this person and that business can repay this merchant cash advance. Merchant cash advance is totally different than a business loan. A merchant cash advance is a sales contract purchase. I'm purchasing your future sales. So if you do $300,000 in business in a month, I'm purchasing 1 month of your sales, and I'm spreading the payments out over 3 to 4 months, which is the term of a normal merchant cash advance. Merchant cash advances are expensive, and they come directly out of your business checking account every day except for Saturday and Sunday and holidays. Typically, when you see a loan broker tell someone they can get this amount of money, that means they have found a merchant cash advance lender, and they will create the documents necessary for you to acquire that type of funding. Let me take a deep breath and tell you. First of all, when you have a newly formed LLC, if you are not generating revenue before you take out the loan, a loan will not make your business profitable, nor will a loan guarantee you're able to generate revenue. A loan is a contract of repayment. That's all it is. You must agree to the terms of the loan and make a payment. It sounds great because you're getting a large sum of money, but remember, the money is to help you generate enough money to pay the loan back. So if your business is not generating revenue now, and you opened a new business in hopes of generating revenue, but you don't have a market, you don't have a website, you don't have anything, a loan is the last thing you need because it's guaranteed, whatever the terms are, you're going to have to make those payments whether you are making money or not. And that is the quickest way to get in financial straits, to have a debt that you owe without income coming in to pay off that debt. Think of getting $50,000 and losing your job, and you have no source of income, and you now have to pay that money back once it is gone, and you still had no source of income. That is very difficult to do. So when you see it on social media, and you will see $50,000 new LLC, I want to be honest, there's only a few ways to do it. Either you have great credit and you get a personal loan that you use to help your business, or you get a business loan that's based off your personal credit. Now that might be a true business loan, meaning you only get a hard inquiry, you get the money, and the payments show up on your EIN, your business credit, but you're personally responsible. So in case you default, it shows back up on your personal credit. Another thing, when you have a loan broker, Loan brokers require or request back-end payment. So as soon as you get paid, they typically request anywhere from 10% of that money to 25 and even higher. So if you get a $50,000 loan, they ask for 20%. That's $10,000. Now, banks and business lenders charge what's called an origination fee. So when you get that money, if Chase Bank approves you, say for $50,000, there could be an origination fee of 3%. So they are going to want $1,500 that's subtracted out of your funds before you get it. So your deposit is $48,500. Now, your loan broker wants 20%. So that's $10,000. So now you go from $48,500 to $38,500. And in most cases, the loan broker charges you an upfront fee to create documents, which we'll go on in a whole different topic, or create something, administrative costs. Let's just say administrative costs. So whatever those administrative costs are, typically somewhere around $2,000, now you're dealing with $36,500 before anything occurs, before you invest in your business or do whatever with the money. So you have lost $12,000 in the process, $12,500. You paid your loan broker, you paid the administrative fee, you paid the origination fee, but your loan payment stays the same. And typically those loans are over 5 years, 60 months. If it's a term loan. Now, if it's a merchant cash advance, you're in a whole different thing because that's a daily repayment and they have extremely high rates. Now, I am an underwriter. I own a business funding company. So I'm not telling you something I've heard. If you want more videos about business lending and how your personal credit and your business credit impact it, leave a comment. You can find out, say, man, does Raul know about everything? Not everything, but I do have a business funding company that's tied to banks, not merchant cash advances. Well, we still do some, but bank lending. But if you have any questions, make sure, leave a comment, especially if you want more about business lending, what to look for, and what to do so you can be available to get a business loan. Just leave a comment and I'll create that video for you. Make sure to watch the video about trade lines and CPNs, because typically when you see those ads on social media, many of those loan brokers want you to buy a trade line to improve your credit, to increase your chances of getting this business loan funding that they are offering you. But as always, you can email me at perfectscore@$10creditrepair.com. If you want something specifically to this video, leave a comment and I'll reply and give you all the information you need. Thank you.